If you still think that flying cars may only appear in the future, you are wrong.
Wow.
Everything you saw in the sci-fi movies has become a reality.
We are lucky, we are blessed to come here and see these things.
We are in a very secret place,
We are VIP guests, right?
Yes.
which is only accessible to sheikhs, kings and ministers of different countries. The sheikh has arrived. You need to leave the building immediately.
For 3 hours or maybe 4 hours, there were a lot of people. Security, check everything with dogs, with everything, copter.
We agree to any terms as long as we can show you the transport of the future.
Here's our technology will be everywhere.
Get comfortable.
We are going to the future now.
And now machine will come and we will board it and we will go.
Wow, wonderful. This one, the real transport of the future, guys. Oh, the door is opened.
Yes. Here you can board the machine and we can have a ride. So you will ride in the, what we call, you can board the future now.
Okay, thank you so much. Let's go to the future.
To get into the R&D department of uSky String Technologies, you need either to be a titled person or have a tidy sum in a bank account. It's only today and only we have managed to get into one of the most secret and closed places in the United Arab Emirates.
Yes, let's go to the future and subscribe now to the YouTube channel. It's going to be amazing. This project is the future. Not here in UAE. Where?
All over the world.
All the world.
Exactly.
Coming soon.
So now we will have a ride and you will see how it is comfortable and how it is nice to travel in our machine.
But before we test the transport of the future, let's get to know those who worked on it. Let's start with the most important person.
This is Dr. Unitsky.
Dr. uSky, I heard a lot about you from him, yes.
So he is very famous scientist in the area of transport, sustainable living, and even space exploration. So, and what you see all here, this was created by him.
And since Dr. Unitsky is currently receiving a delegation from Spain, Oleg Zaretsky, CEO of uSky, will tell us all about the project.
Dr. Unitsky actually he spent all his life doing this project.
Okay, so it's planned long time ago.
It's planned long time ago, and actually Dr. Unitsky he started developing the new transportation system, even being a student in the Soviet Union.
Wow.
And since that time, he devoted all his life in order to give people option, to provide people with real, innovative, and sustainable mobility. Because everything what we see now, actually, this is just bullshit. It does not work, actually.
Now it's time to introduce you to a few more people we met while exploring the transport of the future.
Hi,
Hello.
how are you? I see
I'm
you are
good.
working here in the future, bus future.
Yes.
What do you do here?
I'm marketing executive
Okay.
for uSky DMCC. This is marketing office.
Okay.
So this office is located in Dubai,
Okay.
and we are in Sharjah Test and Certification Center.
So you have other office in Dubai also?
Yeah. This is especially for marketing.
Just only for marketing the people to see your
Yeah,
project
yeah.
and to do this.
Yes, that's true.
Ramadan Karim.
Ramadan Karim, nice to meet you, Saeed.
Me too, Victor.
So, how's everything here?
Everything
The project is good?
Everything is going.
It's going. What you are doing here?
I'm supporting construction.
You are supporting the construction.
Supporting construction.
Okay, so how is it the construction going? It took time to build this rail and
Yes,
the
yes,
stations?
and it's very unequal, interesting work for me because it was some
Okay.
simple things. Here it is very interesting with pretensioning.
So you are most engineer, right?
Yes, like engineer.
Checking the places. And how long you have been working in this project?
From middle of last summer.
From middle of the last summer. And you saw the progress is going?
Yes, from the beginning. Where I'm starting when only supports was.
Only supports. Okay.
So first tensioning cables, after that lifting it up.
So you are engineer here?
I'm not engineer. My name is Sergey Tarasov.
Yeah.
I'm a general manager of uSky Transport.
How long have you been working here?
In uSky Transport, I'm since 2020, so it's already 3 years past.
Yes, since the project started here.
No, actually the project started before me. It started in 2018.
2018.
So
project
I joined the
started.
company at the middle stage, let's say, of our development here.
Okay. So to develop this project.
Right.
Okay.
Well, there is yet another person, and very soon we are going to trust him with our lives.
Guys, we are in the control system. Just by one click, we can move this bus from here to there. Also, not only this, we can check the speed, we can reduce the AC, we can close the light, we can open the door. Everything is controlled here by the click and the control system. I will show you now how is it going to go there inside, and you will see I'm controlling this bus.
Okay, now what I can do,
Yeah,
do you want to control?
I want to control this bus to take it there. Can I?
Sit. Yes, it's very easy. Engineer Saeed will show you. Saeed, show
Okay.
him how to
Hi,
control.
engineer.
So you want to send this bus,
This bus, yeah,
to
this
that
bus
station.
to the other station with the
Just
speed.
take a mouse
Yes.
and then specify place where it should go. Let's zoom
So
here.
this one the rail.
Yes,
So this one the
yes.
destination.
So
Let's go.
double click this.
Yes.
Oh yeah, leave it.
One click.
Yeah, خلاص. So
Going?
now it is green.
Yeah.
No, it's not going.
Start
Now
maybe.
start,
Press start.
and again start and long click. Yes, enough.
Yes. It's going. The door is open. And it's going. See guys there. It's going. I just control this one by a small mouse button. Just one click. And it goes. So I leave the start now? Yes.
Now don't touch anything because now it
Okay.
has the mission. So it will go there, it will reach the spot, and here you can monitor
Okay.
how it's going.
Coming from this way, see? Guys, the bus is going from this way to this way.
At the same time, in
Yeah.
the real mode, you can see the machine, how it is operated,
Yeah.
how, for example, cooling system works.
The AC, you can control the AC also here.
AC is there, cooling system is there, so everything is there.
And I can see the safety, you have cameras everywhere.
Of course.
So to check
And
all
this
the
is
stations.
this is the camera from machine. You see, it's going from us. So now you are like operator.
Operator. But do you think this one to be engineer operator to do this one to need a
Of
lot
course,
of
there should be. No, it's not. It doesn't require very special skills. But at the same time, we should understand that certain training should be there.
Yeah, certain training, not like few trainings.
And now, what is my idea? Let's bring machine back.
Yes.
Wait.
Okay.
Now let
Yeah,
it
it's
reach.
Still here.
Yeah, now it will reach.
You can
It will
control the
stop.
speed also.
Yes, you can control speed, but not now.
Yeah.
This where you need special training.
Hello guys, welcome to the new episode. Do you think where I am now here, what I'm doing here? I will tell you now. Every guest or hero in my videos, they are interested to promote their brand through social media. So I set up my studio in the heart of Dubai. Head Up Studio is designed for podcaster, YouTuber, photographer, videographer, singers, actors, anyone who creates a content. Everything you see around you is an exclusive studio for high quality sound, for high quality videos, photos even. We have everything here for you to film at great qualities. Cameras, 4K, latest equipments, lenses for different formats, sound system, everything here we made it possible for you. Even if you are considering the sound installation, you can find it in every room. If you want to use your creativity, come here in Head Up Studio in Dubai with the fully equipped rooms. Follow the below description to book your seat, and let's continue our episode.
We've met everyone, checked everything, so let's begin our adventure.
Here is the screen where you can see the information about the temperature inside, outside, the speed. So it can be, we can bring the front camera or rear camera. There is emergency button, how to communicate with operator in case of emergency. And now what we are moving, and you can see how it is comfortable and how it is nicely to travel.
Okay, so this bus is different than the other one we saw,
Actually,
right?
we have created more than 20 different models.
20 different?
Yes, and of course each model should correspond to certain project requirement, like passenger flow, like local geography, landscape, and all the other things. So you can see how it is nice to travel, and you are just
I can
enjoying.
see, yes, the view is very nice. It's different, completely different than the underground when you go by
Of
taxi
course.
or Uber or Tesla or something like that. Here you enjoy the place.
Yes, and a lot of people, they are coming, they are riding our machines. Even we had sheikhs, rulers.
came?
Many of them, they come and they see, they have a ride, and we have even kings.
Wow. From different countries
From
also.
different countries they are coming, and they are trying to, how does it look like? And all of them, they are more than happy to try this transport of future. And of course, with all of them, we are talking about implementation of this transport in different Emirates, like in Sharjah, Ras Al Khaimah, in Dubai.
And how is it going? Many people are coming here?
So, of course, yes. I can tell you that on Monday this week, Sheikh of Ras Al Khaimah visited our test and certification center in Sharjah.
He came here to check this project.
Yeah.
How was the result? How was it?
It was interesting.
He was happy?
Yes, yes. So I can say that, before, I think, before 3 hours or maybe 4 hours, there were a lot of people, security, check everything with dogs, with everything, copter, and everything.
Why?
Yes. Only after that, I think about 2 or 3 p.m., His Highness visited.
So before His Highness came here, there was a security everywhere to check the place.
A lot of cars,
dogs, joking.
So, but it was good.
It was good, huh?
I can say that he's very, very good guy. If I can say like that, because he was he was a simple man. Just this touch my hands
like that.
Like that.
Okay.
Very good. Very good.
And what about other people who coming rather than the sheikh?
For example, as you see today, delegation from Italy.
From Italy coming here?
Visited us every day. From India, from Europe, from GCC. I mean, this from Saudi Arabia and a lot of different people.
So they want to check this project and they may take it to their country. Wow, because it's very nice. It's amazing, and everybody will check. What is this? Nobody know about this one here. It's just a starting point in Sharjah, right? And as per the plan, your plan, it's going to be all over the world.
Yes, sure.
And you are working on it. So guys, let's go to the next destination now. We are moving in just a few seconds. We don't need much. There is no traffic, no petrol, nothing. If you have a work to go from place to other place, you have a work, you can read your books, you can study, you can do anything in here. No need to have a driver. Everything is there.
And just imagine
safety.
if you have chance to go to the airport.
Yes.
In such a way.
Yeah.
So it means that you don't need to stay in traffic jam. And we have solution for moving, for example, luggage as well. So
Luggage also?
Yes, you can check in somewhere in the shopping mall and then go directly to the airport without traffic jams, without hassling in the cars, taxis and other things.
So, for example, if your airplane is 11 a.m., you come by here, you know exactly you need 20 minutes to go from here to there. You are not worried about the traffic jam. You are not worried about the other external thing because.
And by the way, you see that today is very windy, so wind is very strong.
Yes.
You can see, but our system works perfectly.
So your system can work with the rain, we can wind. There is no technical issue can happen.
Exactly.
That's really amazing. And you can change the music, the AC, everything, the lighting.
And of course, the implementation of such system, it is times less than implementation of any other system.
Yeah, how long, for example, to build one station?
No,
or to
long it's, of course, we don't need these heavy concrete structures. So it means that in comparison to metro, we will be 5 times cheaper.
Faster even.
Faster in construction and cheaper in money.
Yes, because there is no construction.
Because there is few construction actually.
Few construction only for the station. Otherwise, it's just you need to fix the rail and it goes with the control system.
Yes.
Basic.
Let's see who builds these rails and how they do it. But it's not all that simple.
Gentlemen, ladies, we need, in case we are going to a construction site, we need to take helmets and vests. This is for your health safety first of all. Okay? Их срок 10 дней. Они... Все готово, да. Давай. Окей. Окей. Окей.
Like that?
Yeah, maybe. You can if you need. Yes.
Where are we going now?
So, we are now approaching one of our projects within our bigger project. This we call test track number 4. Yes. Actually, on our site we have 4 tracks in total. One already completed, even certified.
That one, right?
It's over there. That length is around 400 meters only. That's why at the moment we are constructing 2 more tracks. Both of them are 2.4 kilometers each. So this one we completed just recently, within a couple of months back. So currently we are waiting our electric vehicle to arrive from Europe in order to start its commissioning and testing directly on the track.
So it's already ready, the construction is done, just waiting for the vehicle to come and
exactly,
take
sir.
the passenger.
Exactly. So currently the construction work already completed. So as I told, we will start testing the vehicle itself. It's called U-Bus. So we call it U-Bus. It will be 25 passenger capacity. So maximum speed of this electric vehicle is approximately 150 kilometers per hour. So means this was our challenge to show to the public, to demonstrate that we can achieve this speed. Because at that track 400 meters, because of the short distance, we cannot develop full speed, and we are driving there approximately at the speed of maximum 60-65 kilometers only. And here we will be 130 up to 150 kilometers per hour.
It should not happen like that, guys! But we made it. We went inside, yes. It's because we are special guests maybe here today coming. We are lucky, we are blessed to come here and see these things. It's very nice, but usually it's not. But we made it.
From my point of view, this is the most advanced transportation system that is available now in the planet. Because there are a lot of systems that are available, but they are not so much advanced. And there are a lot of intention to do something, but they don't have anything, just drawings and ideas. But this is the system that works. Actually, this machine can reach speed more than 500 kilometers per hour.
More than 500?
Yes.
And how many passengers inside? To 24 to 18?
This machine is for 6 people.
Can we go inside?
Of course.
Wow, everything electronic. So this one, the transportation, this one, the sample of your project, right?
This is actually our transportation system, what we call high-speed transport. This machine, it can reach speed up to 500 kilometers per hour.
500?
Yes.
kilometer per hour.
Yes.
It means like a small airplane in here in the ground.
Not even small, 500 kilometers per hour, it's speed of the normal airplane. Normal travels 900 kilometers per hour sometimes, but sometimes it may travel 500, 600 kilometers per hour.
So how long? Like if there is a trail, for example.
For example, with this system, you can reach Abu Dhabi from Dubai in 15-20 minutes.
15-20 minutes only?
Yes.
We need it.
Actually, even less. But taking into account when you are coming to station, when it goes from the station, when it comes back to the station. So if you have to do something in Abu Dhabi, then you have to board this system in Dubai. And then after 15 minutes, you will find yourself there.
How many passengers can go?
We have different solutions, starting from 6 and up to 24.
6 to 24?
Yeah, depending on the passenger flow that we have to provide.
I can see now you are talking about the electronic. We have in the ground, there is a cars, Tesla, like other cars now started to do.
Yes.
It's underground, but your project is transportation, is about on the top of the surface. It's not
Exactly.
underground.
What we call our transport is located on the first level. So if you see the ground level where all transport is located now, then the idea of Dr. Unitsky was to move transport to the first level.
Okay.
And in the first level, there are no other passengers, there are no other pedestrians, there are no other cars. So it can travel really autonomously. So we have completely automatic system, control system. And the main thing that we can completely avoid traffic jams and we can completely avoid traffic accidents as well. This machine, it is unique because it has very special aerodynamic form, shape. And this it's very efficient because it has just 500 horsepower motors. It does not consume a lot of energy.
Okay.
And it is electrical. So from my point of view, this machine is the most sustainable transport, not because it is electrical. It is electrical by default, but because it consumes very little amount of energy.
Okay.
So it is very efficient.
So what about the risk of this one? Every electrical vehicle or every project, there is positive and negative things. What do you think the risks of?
There is only one risk, is to take over the conservatism of people and to take over their unwillingness to implement new technologies.
Okay.
This is only one risk. There is no other risk, because if this technology comes to people, then all people and all countries, they will benefit from this.
Oh, I can see. And how we can drive this one? There will be a driver or something?
No,
like
it's completely autonomous.
Autonomous, huh? Autonomous.
It is completely autonomous, and it is controlled by control system. Actually, there are two control systems. There is central control system and there is second level control system that is located inside the machine.
Wow, like by your phone you can drive this one, like control system?
No, not in this sense. In the sense that the machine by itself, it takes care about safety, about the distance, speed, location, all these things. Plus to this, the central command system, it takes care about the safety and controlling of all vehicles of the whole complex.
Okay.
So it means that there is two-level control system that ensures the safety of the complex.
Wow. So already you got the certificate for this one to operate, or do you need more documents to?
I will explain, yes. That one, track completed in 2020.
Okay.
In 2020, we already got certificate, we got permission and green light for transportation from the local authority, Sharjah Research Technology Park. and Innovation Park.
And this one?
This one, we started certification last year. So in the late 2022, in November, we started certification activities. But the time all the structure was not complete yet. That's why we started certification piecemeally. Piece by piece, structure by structure. As of today, you see in front of us these steel structures.
Yes.
There are 8 columns, 8 pylons in total. We call it intermediate supports. All these intermediate supports are already certified. Means they are proved to be safe for transportation.
Okay.
And our next challenge is now to start certification of the track structure itself. So this is a rather complicated system. It's consisting of different materials, different structural members, etc. That's why this is our challenging task, to start now certification of the track structure. And then we will start certification of our stations. As we see here in front of us, stations will be certified. And last, our call will be a certification of the electric vehicle itself.
Okay, so it's taking a long time to get the certification?
It depends. For example, on track number 1, certification took approximately, I would say, around 3-4 months maybe.
3 and 4 months.
Yes.
So.
Here it will be approximately the same time, up to 5 months, maybe shorter. We will deal. We will try our best in order to complete it as soon as possible.
Okay. So now you can operate this one anywhere in Sharjah?
Anywhere, not only in Sharjah, anywhere in the UAE.
With this certification?
Yes.
Anywhere in UAE?
Because this certification is not some local certificate. Intentionally, for the certain purpose, we hired one of the worldwide known certification institutions. This is TUV. It's available in Europe, in America, in all the continents, by the way. That's why our certificate mainly will be applicable in majority of the regions. Of course, we have to make some additional maybe action steps in order to validate it, but let's say biggest scope of task has already accomplished. Has been already accomplished.
Okay. That's really interesting point. And you have already certification, you can operate everywhere. So why don't operate now?
Currently, we are at the stage of commercializing our projects.
Just commercial marketing.
Yes. We have our sister company, uSky. This is one of our companies within the bigger group of UST group of companies, uSky String Technologies. And uSky is responsible for marketing, business development for projects. So this is their task. Because uSky Transport is the operator of uSky Test and Certification Center. So what we are doing here, we are testing, we are adapting, modifying our solutions, we are certifying them in order to be applicable in the local MENA region, Middle East and North Africa.
That's really interesting. This one, the construction now, right?
This is the construction. The building structure is already complete. So currently we are only internal finishes are remaining.
Oh, internal only, huh?
Yes, exactly. And behind this structure, you will see over there, steel structures are under erection now. This is a small scope of job. We are erecting them in order to allow for future maintenance area of our U-bus.
You told me about the cost, like if someone in the future, how much the person can go to take a ticket for this bus, for example?
It depends. It depends on the government, how much they want to charge.
Okay, so...
But anyway, of course it will be much cheaper than using the airplane. Times cheaper. So it means that with this system, we are giving chance people to travel at less expense, at less cost.
I can see. And there is here, they can enjoy watching the map.
Exactly.
Airport, no?
Camera and everything. So it means that this is how does it work.
There is a massage or for chair or something like that. I can see here the ruler of Sharjah, Sheikh Sultan Al-Qasimi. And
yes.
Why did you choose Sharjah to start your project?
Actually, we are located in Sharjah Research Technology Innovation Park under direct supervision of His Highness Sheikh Sultan bin Al-Qasimi. And actually, he was personally devoted to this project.
Wow.
Because he recognized the future of this technology. And that is why Dr. Unitsky, he decided to start our technology here in Sharjah.
That's unique. And do you think now, if you go now from Dubai to Abu Dhabi to Sharjah, it's a long way to go. You don't need, you need only 30 minutes, right?
Right.
And this one, you don't think like in Dubai there is a metro, there is other vehicle. What's the special of uSky project compared with the other, like in metro and the other stuff?
You see, what is the special is, first of all, we are cheaper.
Yeah. So also, I can say that Sheikh of Sharjah, he is interested in new technology.
Okay.
And he tried to help us to provide, to build this test certification center in Sharjah, in this SRTIP center. You know, and I think you can do anything without his approval.
Yes, of course.
That's why.
Yes. So that's why it's important for you to get an approval and start your project and your office here.
Yeah, that's why we are in Sharjah, because His Highness approved our idea, he believed in this technology, so that's why.
Okay. Do you like the project? Do you think it's going to be something very nice?
Actually, to be honest, my previous project, I previously worked in another country, in Russia.
Which project was that?
It was a construction project in Russia, and actually it was rather interesting too. But whenever I heard about Unitsky String Technologies, I was so amazed that I applied for this company, joining, and Alhamdulillah, as you say, I succeeded. I succeeded, yeah.
You succeeded. You think this one is one of the biggest projects is going to happen, right?
It's gonna be one of the biggest, one of the most important and crucial, let's say, projects over the world. Because as our chairman and founder, Dr. Anatoly Unitsky, is telling me, we are not doing just some kind of transportation or logistics solution, no. As our doctor believes, and I support him, we are developing completely new industry. Because there is no such kind of transportation, there has never been such kind of transportation in the world before.
Yes,
there are cable cars, but this is not cable car. We are completely different. We have rails, we don't have cables in the air. It's not rail industry because we are located, our structures are suspended in the air. We are located above the ground surface. That's why what we are doing and implementing and offering to the world is completely new, novel solution, novel industry.
That's really amazing. And what's your dream of this one? Do you think there is to build more projects?
My dream, of course, to jump to the next stage when we will be working at commercial projects all over the world, not only in MENA. Of course, I would prefer to start from the local area, I mean Sharjah, Dubai, United Arab Emirates, and expanding our network throughout the whole world.
With the same project, but around the world?
Yes, of course, of course. Okay. Means the same project, I mean to say the same technology. So Unitsky String technology, why not to implement it in Asia, why not in Europe, why not in America or Australia?
Yes, it's very nice.
Because we have two test grounds, two testing facilities. One is here in Sharjah, and the second one is in Europe. Okay. Why we do this? Because climatic conditions are different all over the world. And by testing our solutions in different weather conditions, we are proving that our solutions can be adapted to any environment, to any country, to any region, to any continent.
Okay, it's very nice. Do you think this project is safety?
Yes, it is safe.
For everyone to go and come and everywhere?
Yes.
When did you start your job as a construction? Like, how old you were? 18 years, 20, or?
About 20 years. When I finished the institute, I started to work.
20 years of experience.
Maybe more, yes.
Maybe more. And what do you want to be in the future?
In the future?
Your dream project?
For me, this is my dream project.
This one
for now. Project. For now, this is my dream project, yes.
You wanted to be everywhere, this project, huh?
So let's see, who knows? Inshallah.
Inshallah, I hope you the God may willing. Yes, that's true. and wish you all the best.
Okay.
But I told you that this is the 0 kilometer.
This is 0 kilometer?
Yes, this is the 0 kilometer. And what we consider that all string roads, all our technology will start from this point.
Yeah.
And all this is made with copper, but United Arab Emirates is done with real gold. So if you have any dream, what you have to rubber it a little bit.
Yeah.
And then
Make a
dream
wish.
will come to life.
Yeah. So this one, the world, the map of the world.
Yes.
You started from here.
Yes.
Guys, this one, the map of United Arab Emirates. We are actually here now in Sharjah. Sharjah here?
Here.
Yes, wonderful. So you are planning to go all around the world?
We want to conquer the world with new technology. Innovative transport, what we call Unitsky string technology.
String technology?
Yes.
Wow, it's amazing. Like we are going to the future.
Yes. So from here to future.
After 40 years, 50 years, so...
After 40, 50 years, our technology will be everywhere.
Yeah, that's wonderful. So it's going to be like this?
Yes, actually this is the concept that shows how, for example, people should live in future. And the main idea of this is that people will occupy that leave ground for gardens, greenery, and let's move all transport above the ground. So, and then you will travel in the skies, and you will enjoy traveling actually, without any traffic jams, without traffic accidents.
And I see the benefit of this one. You don't destroy the agriculture.
Exactly.
There is a plant, there is the desert, the people can enjoy the view.
Exactly. So this is a very strong point, and people should understand that enough asphalt on the ground, enough concrete. Let's leave the ground for agriculture, for sport, for leisure.
Yes.
And let's move transport above the ground. This is what actually we are doing.
Today, together with you, we have touched the future created by people like you and me. Every day these dreamers think about how to make our lives better, easier, more comfortable and interesting. So that each of you can commute faster, deliver the child to school or sports section more safely, start your long-awaited journey in comfort. It all comes down to one benefit – saving precious time to spend it on really important and valuable things. Your favorite channel, Mr. Saeed Alblooshi, has been with you. See you soon!